Hello. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Excel model we have developed specifically for a hair salon. And this is part of the package that includes a full-scale business plan as well as a number of other business plan development tools that you can use specific for a hair salon. In another video that's available on this site, we clearly showcase the Word documents that are included in the package, but for this video, we're going to focus solely on the very easy to use Excel model that accompanies your purchase. As discussed on the site, we made it a very easy to use question and answer based system so that you can create a profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, break even analysis, and business ratios page by simply answering the questions that are on this one tab here. The start is at the financing, how much will be coming from owners or investors, how much will be coming from a bank loan, and this can be completely modified so that if you ultimately are looking to self-finance the entire business, or if you're going to be raising capital from investors, you can simply change this to that appropriate amount. In this document, we're assuming a $200,000 total investment to start the hair salon. If very quickly I can show you that if we change this to zero, and change this to 200,000, the rest of the document will automatically update. And I'll just put this back as is. And as you can see, as you adjust certain things, questions will disappear that are no longer relevant. For sales, we discuss how many hair stylings or haircuts are going to be offered on a monthly basis on average, what that average price will be, services including hair colorings and what those average fees are, product sales. We also break down the percentage of services that are being rendered by the staff or the owners versus independent contractors that'll be on site. We also include a discussion regarding booth rentals as well, and that way you can, if that's a service that you're offering to independent cosmetologists that will work on site, how many booths will be rented and what the daily fees will be. You can also adjust the percentage of revenues that occur over the course of a year, depending on whether you're going to have some seasonality to your business. And very quickly, I'll just show you an example of how this can change. If we take a look at our yearly sales, you can see hair styling services based on the inputs results in $210,000 of revenue. Let's go ahead and change it. Instead of 350, we're going to change it to 450. And as you can see, this number automatically updates to 270 based on that question. And we'll go ahead and just return that to 350. There's also information regarding your cost of goods sold for things such as credit card fees that you may incur, on hair coloring services, what those underlying costs will be, as well as product sales. You can also seamlessly adjust the growth rate from year 1 to year 2 and from year 2 to year 3 right at this table. So as you can see, it's set to 15 and 12. Let's go ahead and change it to 20 and 15. And as you can see, it automatically changes here and here, as well as through the rest of the document to show the profit and loss statement. And I'll just go back very quickly, and we'll just go put that back to 15 and 12. Here you can break down how you intend to use the funds that you're raising. This number here, the 200,000, has to total the amount that's being sought up there. So for instance, let's say we don't tabulate this properly and put in 40,000 for leasehold improvements. You'll automatically get a message that lets you know that that needs to total. And then once you fix it, it'll go away. You can also input your yearly expenses here, such as your general administrative costs, your marketing costs, CPA and legal fees, annual insurance costs, rent, vehicle costs. One of the things that we discussed very thoroughly in the business plan is using mobile services as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. And if you are acquiring a number of vehicles to render services at a client's home, you can adjust this appropriately to reflect that. The cash flow analysis, how much of your after-tax debt will be distributed as dividends, how much will be reinvested into the business. If you're not seeking a loan, you can just simply adjust these numbers appropriately. How you intend to do your reinvestment, is it going to be put towards the furniture, fixtures, equipment, and vehicles, or improving the location? You can set these figures appropriately based on how you intend to do reinvestment, and a breakdown of how you intend to spend your marketing dollars. You can also adjust the personnel summary, again, completely editable, specific for what you're looking to do. And on tabs that say editable, those are things that you can adjust, and we put them in with that blue background. That way you know that's something that you can play around with as you develop these figures. All of your questions that you answer in that question, all of your answers from the questions tab will automatically be inputted through the rest of these documents, rest of these tables. You can input your demographic profile information as well, and we show you where to get that information. Your marketing return on investment, the automatically calculated loan amortization table. If you change this amount or the term in years or the interest rate from the questions tab here, this will automatically change. General assumptions tab. This is just an automated calculation sheet for you. And if you have a familiarity with Excel, you can adjust that as well. Your breakdown of the services you're offering, your personnel summary, and then of course the profit and loss statement. For year one, the profit and loss statement is monthly here, and then quarterly for years 2 and 3. And as you can see, the breakdown of how you broke down your annual revenue is here as well. Your cash flow analysis, which again is completely automatically calculated. And again, for the cash flow analysis as well, monthly for year 1, and then quarterly for years 2 and 3. Your balance sheet, which is automatically calculated based on your answers, nothing that you need to adjust here. Your break-even analysis, and your business ratios. And these contain certain elements that a lot of lenders and investors want to see. And that's essentially it. We've made it as easy as possible for you to use when developing a business plan specific for a hair salon. Again, this Excel model comes with the accompanying Word document, as well as a standalone marketing plan, a pitch deck specific for a hair salon, as well as 3 SWOT analysis documents as well, and some other business tools, including a how to start a hair salon guide with some ancillary information as well. This product is available on our website for $49.95. It is a one-time only fee. It is not recurring. Once you place your order, you'll be taken to the download page. Everything comes in a zip file, so you just hit download, and there you have it. Certainly, if you have any questions, you can reach us anytime on the live chat or at our email at info@hairsalonbusinessplan.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.